Hey guys, Monkey here to do a review on Transformers Beast Wars Megatron, or more accurately, Kingdom Megatron. Megatron here is an obvious, as bad time to stutter, is obviously a big, purple, beefy, chunky dinosaur. Also, he's a T-Rex that looks like Barney, so you know a bit of that, I love you, you love me, we're a happy family, I still don't know why they did Barney colors for the villain of Beast Wars. Like, did they want him to be Barney? Was the Predacon genocidal leader Megatron supposed to be an evil Barney? But yeah, Beast Wars Megatron is, well, I have him and I'm doing a review on him. Yeah, this is Megatron. Megatron is a well sculpted and well designed figure with a lot of nice. Focus. There you go. A lot of nice green detail, like a lot of scaling too. Like look at all the scaling and like leathery skin texture you have on him. And look at those eyes. Then all those lovely and well done, well sculpted teeth. Then the roof of his mouth and the tongue are also really well sculpted, with a blast effect port in there as well. Nope. There you go. Sorry for yawning. It's pretty late for me right now. We also have a lot of this underbelly detail. You'll see these parts turn to his shoulders later, right here and here. Along with this being his, I think, left arm, and this is right. Wait, no. So if I go from like, so this is my left. So this would be his left, and this one would be his. What it? Oh, fuck it. I'll figure it out later. All right, but yeah, this is Megatron. Megatron is actually a well-made figure with, well, I guess mostly well-made. The material definitely could have been better. Like for example, if I were to just put my fingernail in that. Okay, you can't see it, but 1 second. So if I were to just, you can kind of see it. When you put your fingernail into it, it kind of stays there for a little while. Along with that, the type of material that they used, the paint kind of chips easily. I mean, this is normal plastic right here. And also, panels like to kind of peel off. Let's see, this one's, yeah, right here. See, it's peeling off and just removing itself. You'll see a bit more of that down here with this piece and some other parts somewhere else on the figure. But yeah, and before I forget, this review is a birthday review for a friend of mine. Won't say his name because I doubt he wants a bunch of people to know that his birthday is soon. And if you're wondering why am I doing this video today and not on your birthday, more or less just because I have a lot of stuff to do on the 15th. So, yeah. But besides that, yeah, this is the legendary Yes Man. Because, Megatron was always that, yes, I like you, pussycat. But yeah, BW Megatron is a well sculpted and well designed figure. But before I get into articulation, I do also want to do some size comparisons. So let's get two of my previous Predacon reviews. Inferno, scaling pretty well there, and Tarantulas, who also scales pretty well with the guy. But yeah. And for some more down to Earth, sorry, that was a pretty crappy joke. Because we got Earthrise Optimus to scale here, along with Siege Megatron to also scale here. Since, predecessors before the almighty Beast Wars Megatron. Grab them out. And since I already have these guys on hand, we can also bring in TR Breakaway and Legacy Point Blank. So, he sizes up pretty well with these lads. And now, oh wait, actually, 1 second. I got Core Class over here as well. Bam. Oh my god. Ooh, damn, did not mean to move my lights. Ooh, right. You put that right there. There you go. Yeah, there's your size comparison of the day. I'm really interested in that Magmatron, though. I'm interested on how that Magmatron's dinosaur, uh, the purple T Rex, I think it's a T. I don't know my dinosaurs, but that Commander Class Magmatron, I'm interested in how his T Rex like beast mode section scales up with this guy. Very interested on, and God damn it, I'm very interested on to see on how that would scale up with Megatron here. But with scaling out of the way, let's go into articulation. Legs can go forward that far. Ooh, yeah, that's another issue. Legs are a bit weird to move. You want to move it from up here, so you got it right. You have to grab it by the thigh, then move it. Legs go forward that far, back that far. And because this does also make up his robot mode leg, you can turn it that far, that way, turn it that far way, actually. Full 360, be careful though. Knees bend back that far, his foot goes forward that far, back that far, and pivots that far. That'll also be part of his robot mode. His head can look up that far, down that far, and I think and the T-Rex, rest of the head, looks up that far, looks down that far, and opens up that far. And the T-Rex arms, since they're on ball joints, have your usual ball joint motions, up, down, full 360, side to side, I don't know why I did that. All right, tail moves side to side, bit of that dog wagging action, Ooh, 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 give me the bone, give me the bone. I'm a happy dog. Woo, woof, 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 bark, bark, But yeah, articulation out of the way. Ooh, neck's hurting. 1 second. Ooh, there you go. With articulation out of the way, we can now start transforming. How I usually like to start this guy is untabbing the side panels, like so. And since these slots right here and here, tab into right here and here, but due to it being him, makes sense, this will keep untabbing because it's Megatron. Then you want to pull up these side cannons, fold them up, and push them in. You want to make sure these little barrels are facing forward on his robot mode thighs. Same thing goes for this. Straighten out the legs, rotate the arm around, and kind of split his legs, and then click those together, and click this together, like so. Then you want to split open the chest, and that reveals all of his interior detail. Yeah. But before you do that, you also want to pull this up and straighten these panels out, like so. I like to click these in by pushing them all the way up, like so. Then you kind of just want to do a lot of back adjustments, like get these panels in here, fold that up. Same thing with this side. Just be careful while doing it too, because you do risk breaking the plastic. Then you also want to just untab this all, fold up his robot mode head, rotate, bring down like so as far as you can. You want to be as careful as possible. Click this piece in, then you want to fold this piece down. And with that, we just flip around these parts right here and here, like so. The arms are what keeps a lot of this back together. Straighten out the legs, straighten out the arms. I prefer to have it like this, but you also might want to have it like this so the arm looks a bit more complete. And now you want to fold these parts in like that, rotate the tail around. Ooh. Oh yeah, right, almost forgot. You also want to do this side too, like so. Then you fold this like pincer like piece around, straighten him out, and bam, you got yourself. Ooh, 1 second. Sorry, my neck is hurting right now, man. 1 second, I need to readjust my seat a bit. There you go. Now we have our almighty Megatron. Megatron is a well sculpted and painted figure with silver teeth around, along with some nice gutter or grading, more accurately, more like nice grain detail. We have like these nice dark shades of purple here with gunmetal gray thigh parts. Along with it, oh sorry, did not mean to burp. Excuse me. Along with that, we also have a nice hip section right here. You can see the pins that connect a lot of this thigh's transformation in here. Along with that, we also have this purple piece right here on his boner. Along with that, we also have like a lot of this nicer detail. Like look at the head actually. There you go. Look at that well sculpted Predacon logo. And if you get a good look at that face, look at how intimidating Megatron looks now. He's like, what the fuck did you just say to me? Maximal scum? Yes. I will kill you with my very own hands. Along with that, we also have, his side cannons, his arms, well sculpted. Oh, his arm, more accurately, well sculpted in detail. Yeah, he has a bit of a backpack, but his feet, I do believe, are just specifically designed to combat how chunky he is. Because, like, in most poses, he stands just fine now because of how well engineered he is. Because they were able to distribute a lot of the back detail properly on this guy to the point where it's just not like all over the place. Because, it looks a bit clunky, but still compacts on Megatron very nicely. It's impressive on how good it looks. And I'm just gonna turn my light off for now. But yeah, before I stop and do size comparison, I do want to get articulation down this time. We got it's on a mushroom peg, I think. Is it? No, I think it's on. Yeah, it's on a ball joint. 1 second, we got to turn the light back on now. Yeah, it's on a ball joint. His head can look down that far, up that far. Does not have much side to side. It's a full 360 though, so that's good. Do be careful though, as you do risk chipping the paint on the little edges right here, as you can kind of see. The more you do this, the more you risk chipping it. Due to transformation on the head joint, his shoulder has a butterfly joint, like so. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Arm can go forward and up that far, back that far, and a full 360 rotation. Arm bends that far if you have it the proper way, but if you do it like I do, then you get a lot more room right there. Along with that, since this is the T-Rex head, all the same functionality. Along with that, we also, this arm does not do the butterfly thing. If you do that, you risk breaking it, so please, for the love of God, don't. Arm can go back that far, forward, or back that far the other way, forward that far. Full bicep rotation as well. Arm can bend back that far, forward that far. And actually I don't know why they do this, but, his wrist can break. Not that since this is technically like a pincer of some sort, opens back and forth. Nom, 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 nom. We also have a full waist rotation, so, that's lovely. If you put his arms up, legs go back that far, forward that far. Full rotation at the knee. I'm not too sure why, but it's there. Leg does not bend past 90. Ankle can go back that far and forward that far. And it can also pivot that far to the side. Kind of pivots the other way, but barely. And now, for what will be just a few seconds for you guys, will be minutes for me, because I'll be transforming the other Predacons for size comparison. Alright, I got the lads all transformed up, up and ready to go. So, our first size comparison, we got Legacy Inferno. There he is, right next to Megatron. And we got our legacy Tarantulas. Tarantulas is right at dick sucking height, you know. Oh Lord, Megatron, you taste so good. Oh fuck, what am I doing? All right, yeah, I'd say I'd say that makes today's video. No, we just get a bit of cackling inferno. You know, throw them off to the side. But yeah, you know that. Oh, wait a minute, monkey. 1 second. So while I'm transforming monkey here, I just want to say happy birthday to you, Diego. I wish you a good birthday. I won't be able to make it to your birthday, and I know this review will be early on your birthday, but I do still wish you a happy birthday, man. And I do hope you get that scourge you keep asking for. Sorry that I wasn't able to get it for you, but you know, broke as hell buying presents for the family. But yeah, happy birthday, Diego. But yeah, let's get Monkey right here. Monkey! There you go. And Diego, unfortunately, I will not be able to do full collection review. My family and I were going to do some more stuff on the 15th and on days before, since, you know, those days are literally our break date. Ooh, man. But yeah, there's a lot going on within that week. But yeah, happy birthday, Diego. I do wish you a good birthday. See you in school Monday. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And to all you monkeys watching this, thank you for the support. I have noticed, and I do really appreciate it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, guys. See ya.